Chalk on blackboard, screens in the dark, 50 years of mirrors, time to spark. Seven, 5 classrooms, chalk dust in the light. Teachers wrote the story, kids learned to fight. Phonics, classics, poetry by heart. No federal chains, just local art. Handwritten notes, debates till the bell. And a bog world where real stories fell. Reagan rides in, nation at risk alarm. Standards crash down, testing starts to hum. Culture wars ignite, vouchers in the air. Apple IIs boot up, first screens appear. Unions push back, but the tide is turning. Mediocrity warnings, the system's learning. All the mirror cracks a little more each day. The mirror never lies, it shows a factory floor. From blackboards to dashboards, we're begging for more. Shut up, do your job, no rights unless they say. Ignorance by design, prove me wrong today. Prove me wrong today. Prove me wrong today. Yeah. Data obsession grows, report cards rank the shame. Textbooks sanitized, big three play the game. Playlists and pages, McGraw grip so tight. Texas tweaks the truth out of sight. First computer labs, device starts to spread. Typing drills and glitches in kids' heads. Common Core whispers, charters multiply fast. Testing the only king, future built to last. NCLB drops a hammer, AP change the soul. Special ed crushed under the same cruel goal. Corporate contracts, cashing on the fear. Lesson pocket billions, the end draws near. The mirror cracks a little more each day, and the children pay. The mirror never lies, it shows a factory floor. From blackboards to dashboards, we're begging for more. Shut up, do your job, no rights unless they say. Ignorance by design, prove me wrong today. Prove me wrong today. Prove me wrong today. Yeah. Race to the top, bribes, charters run wild. TFA core fill gaps, 5 weeks and a smile. One devices roll, go wild in your eyes. Class dojo points, behavioral spies. Anxiety climbs, playgrounds go quiet. Screens steal the soul, attention and riot. Polarization burns, CRT wars ignite. Lockdown drills scar kids through the night. Pandemic hits, Zoom boxes the frame. Gaps explode wide, teachers take the blame. AI tutors watch, biometric scan. Unschooling rises, the people take a stand. Teachers walking out, burnout in their veins. Students watch but never truly seen. Digital IDs change the next generation. Moral reckoning, no more hesitation. Come forward, speak the truth, shatter the glass. Your stories are the weapon, let the system crash. Parents yell at boards, scream at the state. Children deserve thinkers, not drones in their face. The mirror never lies, reflection cuts so deep. 50 years of factory, time to wake from sleep. Yell at governors, boards in Washington High. Break the chains of ignorance before our kids die. The mirror never lies, it's staring back at you. Compliance or freedom, what will you do? Prove me wrong or fix it now. The hour's getting late, and the joke on education before it's too damn late. The mirror never lies, with satire, can you survive? The mirror, speak up, before the next generation disappears. The mirror never lies.